Road. The best bike trip in the park, the Escape Road, starts at the Thurston Lava Tube at about 3,920 feet elevation and runs downhill, ending at the Mauna Ulu Parking lot at about 3,250 feet. The Escape Road is just what its name implies, an alternate route up and off the coastal plain to be used when Chain of Craters Road is inevitably cut by lava flows again. Entirely dirt surfaced, the Escape Road goes through lovely lush forest and is a cool treat to ride or hike, downhill anyway. The whole area surrounding the park is infested with wild pigs, and in trying to keep them from devastating the plants and ecosystems in the park, the rangers have erected a complex series of fences and gates in this area. Please be sure to close all gates behind you, even if you found them open, as you ride on the Escape Road.